I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Divi. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Benchmark. Give your API secret key. So please visit Benchmark API token. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. You can update benchmark by check this box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the benchmark page and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the benchmark. Thanks for watching.